See y'all! We're going to the tree lighting in Knob Noster because it's gonna be a really cute little tiny tree. At least that's the one I saw that had lights on it. But there could possibly also be another light. The reason why this is a big thing, I guess you can say, is because it's the first Christmas lighting with the new City Hall. And hopefully, if internet's here in 100 years, they can look back on this and be like, look how cute the little tree was. Oh my goodness, there's Logan. So I changed sweatshirts because it is really warm outside, which is weird. But afterwards they said that bring a flashlight to have a story thing, so I brought my little lantern. It's just cute. And I think that's all I'm gonna bring. If I get cold, I can always come back because it's just right there. But it's gonna be dark, of course, because of the lights. You're not gonna see them if there's light. But yeah, so we'll see what this looks like. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little tiny tree right there.